My entire family loves this super simple salmon bowl that takes just minutes to make. I cut everything on my Royal Craft cutting board. This fantastic 12 by 8 bamboo cutting board is solid. It's nice on my knives. I love the drainage sides, and I love how quickly I can clean it so I can switch from raw meats over to vegetables, no problem. So let's make this quick salmon bowl. All I really do is cut up some salmon, toss it really with some soy sauce, sesame oil, ginger, and then I get the air fryer ready to go. And this is the longest part of the cook time, but it really goes fast. I only cook it for 6 minutes. Turn that on, the preheat will happen within 30 seconds. Toss in that salmon, and while the salmon is cooking, I cut everything else up I want. You can add cucumbers or carrots or avocados, edamame, whatever you want to your salmon bowl. It's really up to you. My family loves it all, and each person makes their own bowl. And again, the Royal Craft cutting board is fantastic for this, really clean and easy to use. And looks good too. Now back to the recipe. The key piece is actually the sauce, which is just mayo, soy sauce, and sriracha. The sriracha to me is the most important part. It gives it that hot pop. My youngest doesn't like the heat as much, so sometimes I'll make a different sauce, but it really depends. Now let's check out the salmon. It's looking good. Just want to get a little more crispy, and then we're ready to go. Put in the rice, add the toppings you want. I really love adding some kimchi into this, and choice kimchi is my favorite. Toss on the salmon, toss on the sauce, and you are good to go. A super fast weeknight dinner for my family. I hope you love it as much as I do, and definitely check out the Royal Craft cutting board.